All right, you guys, I am here at the Hilton Kohala Suites. We are here on the Big Island for 7 days, and I just got to the room, so let's do a room tour and see what this looks like. All right, so when you first walk in, it looks like we have a closet here. Oh, this is the washer and dryer. And ironing board, iron. Let's see, where's our light? Here we go. So we will definitely be taking advantage of this and doing laundry. This is cute, you guys. Then you have a full-length mirror here. Hello. And then we have our kitchen with full refrigerator. Let's see what we have. We have your coffee pot, toaster. Of course, you probably have plates and stuff. Yeah. Oh, those are not soft clothes. And plates. Have that here. Cups. This is a 2-bedroom because we got 6 people joining us. So we got a dining table. This is so cute, you guys, this little layout. And then what's over here? Over here to my right, we have bedroom number 1. Let's see what we got. Here's the TV, small TV, but we won't be in here a lot. So it looks like these are 2 either full or queen beds. And then here's the bathroom. Nice bathroom, high sink. You got your towels, shower tub combo. We go back out. This is your living room area. Very spacious. TV. This is a bigger TV. It is really nice in here. And then this is where we would be staying, the 2nd bedroom. Very bright in here and very big. And the bathroom is connected. It has this little curtain that you can close. So that's cool, but your tub, look at this. This must be a jacuzzi. Is this a jacuzzi tub? No, not a jacuzzi tub, just a very, very, very large tub. And then the shower. I love the separate shower. Let's check out the closet. Okay, we got a good sized closet. So we can hang our items. Put our suitcase there. Got the safe right here. And then I love that you have the mirror on this entire wall pretty much. Then you got the sink, double sinks, and vanity area here. Towels, plenty of towels, beach towels down there. And then the bathroom, separate toilet area. Very, very nice. Let's take a look at the view. Let's take a look at the view outside our room. Okay, so it's the view of the road. So not much of a view. Well, a view of the golf course, but it is really nice here on the Big Island. And we have this very large balcony. This is cute, you guys. We'll have to sit out here. So this is our 2-bedroom at the Hilton Kohala Suites. Let me know in the comments if you guys have stayed here before, what you like about it, what you like about the property. We have access to the other bigger Hilton property as well. So again, we're here for 7 days and we're here with family. I brought everybody, almost everybody this time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.